In the intricate jungle of software development, two intrepid quality assurance engineers venture forth. Armed with automation tools, they shield the fragile application ecosystem from lurking bugs. With unyielding determination, they patrol the uncharted code. Guardians against chaos, ensuring survival of the fittest in this digital wilderness. Observe now our engineers as they puzzle over a vague test case, like explorers deciphering an ancient compassless map. They scrutinize the document, exchanging bewildered glances. One seeks wisdom from the subject matter expert, while the other consults business analysts. Their quest leads them deep into the domain of knowledge. As insights illuminate their path, clarity emerges. The once cryptic test case is meticulously redefined. With newfound precision, they transform confusion into triumph. This collaboration showcases the strength of a united development community. As the sprint's end looms, the orderly realm of testing descends into turmoil. Automated tests, once reliable, now shatter under the weight of looming deadlines. Each resolved issue spawns another in a relentless barrage. Exhausted but undeterred, they endure the struggle with caffeine, their sole ally. The release, though triumphant, leaves scars of fatigue. Resolute, they turn to the wisdom of the test automation pyramid, seeking solace in smaller, more robust tests. Gradually, the chaos subsides, giving way to a tranquil cadence. Empowered, they stand ready to confront the wilds of development with newfound serenity. In the digital wilds, testers grapple with diverse bug species. Cicadas of user dismay, deceptive ladybugs, and complex praying mantises. Among these, the firefly of phantom defects, master of hide and seek, eludes developers with the infamous "works on my machine" refrain. Despite their arsenal of evidence, pinning down this phantom proves challenging. Each vanquished bug gives rise to another, perpetuating an eternal chase. Yet our testers persist, battling bug after bug, knowing that in this jungle, the bugs may never truly disappear. In this sprawling jungle of code, the testers, like nature's finest guardians, continue their watch. They face new challenges and encounter new species of bugs. But with every sprint, they adapt. Their tools grow sharper, their instincts keener. And with each fix, they strengthen the ecosystem they protect. The battle between bugs and testers carries on. But so too does their relentless pursuit of a world free from the chaos of defects.